So karon na atong challenge, mao ni siya ang fill in the blank hugot challenge.
Hugot ini ma'am.
Oh, hugot-hugot man na. So ang kanang na blanco diha may inyuhang ansiran pun-an ninyo. Ha? So ug masakto, automatic premiuhan ako og 5,000 pesos.
Sana, nahan ako nang
Oh,
anay.
yes, una tatay pisot.
Ani?
Oh, number 1. Oh, kana number 1. So na may kuana na, basahon na ko daan ang Tagalog ana, Tagalog hugot.
Okay.
Okay. So ang una ana, ang number 1, sanay na akong masaktan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na hindi na masakit. Oh. Mao na siya ang translate sa English sa hugot sa Tagalog. Oh.
Mao na siya ako ang wanan,
Oh.
masani.
I may be
I
used
may be used
to
to
getting blank.
but that doesn't mean
It
it
no longer blank. Oh.
I may be used to getting hurt.
Ha?
Getting hurt.
Getting hurt?
Oh.
Oh, correct!
hurt.
Oh,
Cinco
getting
million.
hurt. 5,000. Oh.
I
Dayon.
may be used to getting hurt, but
Hurt. Oh,
hurt.
Oh, sote.
ay alam ko basta hurt ka.
Okay, hurt.
Basta hurt,
Mm.
but that doesn't mean it no longer hurt. Hurt ya pandili.
Ha?
Hurting.
Hurt?
Oh.
Oh, correct! 5,000!
Jismel.
Oh, next, Alimokoy. Number 2. Ang Tagalog hugot ana, ang lungkot pala kapag ikaw lang ang may gusto ayusin ang lahat. Ang lungkot pala kapag ikaw lang ang may gusto ayusin ang lahat. It's sad when you're the blank.
Ipabasa ma'am.
Yeah.
It's sad when you're the only one.
Ha? Only?
Oh.
Oh, correct! Only! 5,000! 5,000.
Ako gimahimong ini.
Trying to fix
5,000 sa, kuasa.
money.
Yeah, only ha, only one.
Only one trying to fix only you.
Wrong! Tatatagsok! Next, tatatagsok! Sumpay ito, kung ano ito ya ha? Dapat kung ano man, humat ka ng kumplituhon man na.
Sa Tagalog na.
Ang Tagalog na ito itong tagsok. Ang kanan na lang kung ano ha, yung kanang last mo imuhang kung anon.
Kini trying to fix.
Sa ubos na lang. So, ang Tagalog na hugot, ang lungkot pala kapag ikaw lang ang may gusto ayusin ang lahat. Okay, basta sa it's sad. Yeah.
It's sad when you're the
Only man ang itong
only trying to fix. Sa ato pa sa English dire. Sardinas. Sardinas sinulian.
Wrong! Tatay Bisot!
It's sad when you're the only one trying to fix the problem.
Wrong!
Trying to fix. Ito yung Tagalog ano?
Ang lungkot pala kapag ikaw lang ang may gusto ayusin ang lahat.
You're the only one to you're the only one trying to fix finally all them all.
Wrong.
Trying to fix all the things.
Wrong now. Okay,
All the
next.
problem.
All that you.
Ha?
All that you. You
Wrong.
got all?
Wrong.
Overall.
Wrong.
Overtime.
Overtime.
Lahat. Ang kon sa English sa lahat.
Trying to fix them all that. Trying to fix them all.
Wrong.
Trying to fix.
Lahat. Sa English lahat. All of you.
Trying to fix.
Your all.
Wrong. Totong tagsak na.
All. Sakto bitaw.
Clue.
Sakto. Okay.
Trying to fix M blank.
All.
Ha?
All.
Wrong. Wrong. Usa. Wala pa. Usa pa ya. Trying to fix F blank.
Ebb.
F blank.
Night.
Ha?
Ebb. Night.
Wrong. Duha pa.
Not
Ah.
Pasunod. Ebb.
Ah.
Evening. Try to fix evening. Ebsat.
Wrong.
Everything.
Everything. 5,000
Everything.
pesos. Yeah. Number 3.
I don't know if I should steal blank or finally give blank. It
Moro na.
hurts.
Dili, number 4 naman na. So ang number 3 kuan ang Tagalog hugot ana. Hindi ko alam kung aasa pa ba ako o susuko na. Yeah.
I don't know if I should steal. Satu.
Kung aasa pa ba ako o susuko na.
I don't know if I should steal ko sa asa. I don't know if I should still number 1.
Still
I don't know if I should still
Still have.
kasapit.
Okay. Hindi ko alam kung aasa pa ba ako o susuko na.
I don't know if I should still
Uh,
tubol.
ha?
Tubol.
Wrong. Usa.
Or finally give.
Wala pa. Dili ka ka-proceed og dito ma.
I don't know if I should still have.
Wrong. Duha.
Still have baka nang kasa.
Wrong.
I don't know if I should still.
Aasa pa ba ako o susuko na?
Still truthing.
Wrong. Tolo. Totong. Hindi ko alam kung aasa pa ba ako o susuko na.
I don't know if I still loving you.
Wrong.
Loving you, guys.
Wrong. Aasa pa ba ako o susuko na?
Still
Susuko na mabuhi ba?
surrender night.
Wrong.
Okay.
Duha.
Still
Napa may aasa?
asa na black. Ma'am, ang black asa na.
Still blank.
Remain on.
Wrong.
Roll on na lang.
Tatay without.
I don't know if I mind. Bali ako sila. I don't know if I should still
4 letters. Ang sunod ana.
Still have. Up.
H ang naguna.
Oh. Have lagi.
I don't know if I should still
Aasa pa ba ako?
H nag-una. Ibin. Kailan siya kayo ma'am? Saan siya ma'am?
Ha?
Saan siya?
Okay. Hope. If I should still hope or
Finally give
yeah.
up.
Correct! Give up!
Allah.
5,000. Next. Number
Finally
4.
give up. It hurts seeing din.
Dim. M na.
It hurts seeing them together.
Wala pa. Yan. Ang kuha na Tagalog hugot. Masakit makita na masaya siya sa piling ng iba.
Iba ni.
Dili.
Finally, only
Ang iba ka ng else.
the message.
Okay, ano siya siya?
Okay. Masakit makita na masaya
Kita.
siya sa piling ng iba.
It hurts seeing them I see.
Ha?
Them I see.
Wrong.
See?
Usa.
With you.
Wrong. Duha.
Elsie ni?
Ha?
Si Elsie?
Eh, else. With blank else.
It hurts seeing them.
Ah. Masaya na, masaya.
Masaya ni.
Masakit makita na masaya siya sa piling ng iba.
Masaya.
Diba? Them, blank, with
Okay.
blank
It
else.
hurts seeing them.
Ah.
Them laughing.
Wrong tolo.
Masaya man yung katawag. Laughing.
Okay, toto, wala pa mga kwarta. Okay. Masakit makita na masaya siya.
Korta ka bayot.
Okay. Dili ka na number 4. It hurts seeing them.
It hurts seeing them.
Seeing. Seeing them.
Happy with.
Happy, correct.
Happy with.
5,000 sa. 5,000.
Wala sa kabalo, sakto siya.
Happy.
Happy with.
With sa piling ng iba.
Estelle Lover.
Ha?
Estelle Lover.
Wrong. Usa.
Sa piling ng iba.
Mm.
With. Never
Na may tumoy else.
else. Ay, dapat man din yun.
Mm.
Else.
With blank else. It hurts seeing them happy with blank else.
Ay. Sunit else.
Wrong. Talo.
Happy
Tatay.
happy with
Sa,
no one else.
Ha?
No one else.
no one else?
Oh.
Usa.
No one else. It hurts seeing them happy with someone else.
Correct!
Someone else.
5,000. Next. Alimokoy, number 5. Ang hirap magmahal ng taong hindi kayang piliin ka.
It's hard to love.
Love?
It's hard
correct.
to love someone who can't choice together.
Wala pa. 5,000? Love na. Correct ng love. Yes, someone
It's
who
hard
can't
to love someone who can't choose.
choose. Choose.
Chose to chat.
Wrong. Duha. Ang hirap magmahal ng taong hindi kayang piliin ka.
Choice. It's hard to love someone who can't choice with you.
Wrong.
Choice.
Duha. Tolo.
Choice love you.
Wrong. Choose. Pili ba? Pili. Hindi kayang piliin ka. Ang ka mo English siya. Ka.
Ka?
Ikaw ba? Ikaw?
You!
Correct!
Spirit.
5,000.
Tonight.
Number 6.
Ka? You! I'm trying to be blank even though you're the reason for my
Blank.
life. Life.
Wrong. Wala pa. Okay. Ang Tagalog hugot, pinipilit kong maging masaya kahit ikaw ang dahilan ng lungkot ko.
I'm trying to be happy
Oh, correct. Ah, 5,000. 5,000.
I'm trying to be happy even though you're the reason for my sa Tagalog rin?
Ah, kahit ikaw ang dahilan ng lungkot ko.
I'm trying to be happy even though you're the reason for my sadness.
Correct! 5,000!